In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe payments in Base44. To get started, open Base44 in your browser. Once you're on the platform, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're inside the Base44 workspace where you can edit your app. This is where you'll be able to use the built-in AI tools to help with integrations like Stripe. Next, look for the prompt box. This is the area where you can type instructions for the AI assistant inside Base44. If you're new to the platform, think of this as the main control point for telling Base44 what you want it to build or connect for you. Taking a second to locate the prompt box now will make the rest of the process very straightforward. Once you've found it, open the Base44 app editor and use the AI chat to request that it connect Stripe. You can do this by typing a simple instruction like connect Stripe. It's best to keep your request clear and direct so the AI understands exactly what integration you want to set up. This step is important because it starts the automation process inside the editor. After entering your request, click the Send Prompt button. That sends your instruction to the AI so it can begin preparing the Stripe integration for your app. If nothing happens instantly, don't worry, that's completely normal. At this point, give the system a little time to process your request. Depending on the app and the current workload, it may take a moment before you see the result. During this waiting period, avoid repeatedly submitting the same prompt, since that can create confusion or duplicate actions. Just let the AI finish its task. Once the AI is done, you'll be able to return to the editor view and review what it generated. This is where Base44 helps translate your request into actionable setup guidance. You should now see the outcome of the integration request inside your app environment. From there, you can view the step-by-step instructions showing how to connect Stripe. These instructions are useful because they guide you through the remaining connection flow in an organized way. Take your time reading through them carefully so you understand what Base44 is asking you to do next. And that's it. That's the basic process for starting a Stripe payments integration in Base44 using the AI chat inside the app editor. If you follow each part carefully and wait for the AI to finish its work, you'll be in a great position to move forward with connecting Stripe successfully.